Hi, I'm Chris, a current Amplify employee and former teacher. Today I'm going to walk you through how to teach one of Amplify Classroom's lessons where students are using print and not using devices. So first on the Discover page, I'm going to scroll down. I know that this lesson, Compass Constructions, has students using print and not on devices. So I'm going to click on it. You'll see today's goals. And when you scroll towards the bottom, you'll see the option to present this lesson. So it would project on your smartboard. If it were a lesson where students were meant to be on devices, this would say assign instead. So from here, you can actually see everything you need to know. You can preview the different screens to see what the experience looks like. You can see the teacher moves. So these teacher moves walk you through what to say, different differentiation resources for students, sample student supports and student responses, etc. So basically just the moves that you would need to teach this lesson. You'll also be able to find the paper resources. So it has the teacher edition, which has basically all of the steps that you would need. So again, how to launch this lesson, what prior learning your students might need before this lesson, the lesson at a glance. There are also student editions, which have the resources that your students would work on. So you can see here, it has the worksheets and questions that your students would work on for the warm-up, for the actual lesson, etc. So that's basically all you would need to know to teach this lesson. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Facebook group and ask them there. We're pretty responsive. It's Amplify Classroom Educators. Thanks.